Why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily. Fundability matters. It's so easy to get lenders to decline loan applications and creditors to not give you credit. Building a fundable business will help you get approved. The business will stand on its own. It can't look like a hobby you do in your spare time, even if it started off as a side gig. Let's check out your business address. A business address must be a real brick and mortar building. It must be a deliverable physical address. This can never be a home address or a P.O. box. Don't use a UPS mailing address. Some lenders will not approve and fund unless this criterion is met. Lenders check USPS in places like Google Maps to see if you're using a home address. If you are, you often get an immediate decline. Never use a home address on your application. Even if your company is just you can use a virtual address. We like Regus, DaVinci, and Alliance. What if you need a business brick and mortar address? If you need one, Entrepreneur Magazine says location is your #1 concern. Consider your target market. Consider where your competitors are. Take advantage of their research. Be sure the area is zoned for your type of business. Let's look at business phone numbers. You must have a dedicated business phone number. Lenders see an 800 number or toll-free phone number as a sign of business credibility. Even for a single owner with a home-based business, a toll-free number provides the perception that you are an even bigger company. It's shockingly easy and inexpensive to set up a virtual local phone number or a toll-free 800 number. You need a fax number or an e-fax as well. Set it to go straight to email. A cell or home phone number as your main business line could get you flagged as unestablished, but VoIP is okay. Do not give a personal cell or residential phone as a business phone number. Your phone number must have a 411 listing for most credit issuers, lenders, vendors, and even insurance providers to approve you. Check your record to see if you're listed. Make sure your information is accurate. No record? Then use listyourself.net to get a listing. Let's recap. Keep all records consistent to ensure fundability. Set up your business legitimately with a domain, phone numbers, an address, and more. Get all ID numbers and register with the IRS. Choose a business entity. Corporations are best. Make sure you've got all the necessary licenses. Set up your business bank account for fundability. And get your personal credit house in order. Contact us today to learn more about why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily.